Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Since yesterday's video, we quickly saw a rise of about 2.4%, reaching 114,300. Price is now consolidating, holding strength around the next horizontal target of 113,600. On the 1-hour time frame, after the move to 114,300, the trend wave signaled potential downside with a red dot when price crossed the yellow dotted line at 113,600. But momentum proved strong enough that, although price briefly dipped to 113,100, it quickly reclaimed the line. Green Heikin-Ashi candles continue to print, showing resilience despite the earlier red signal. This suggests the possibility of further upside, at least in the short term. It was overdue as price had been trapped in a narrow range for several days. On the 1-week heat map, the main hot pocket sits directly above the current price. Bears even tried to fade the move in the past 12 hours, but it looks more like a bear trap than a sustainable rejection. The level at 114,600 remains the hottest area on this map. From the macro side, fresh economic data added fuel to the move. On September 10th, the producer price index for August came in softer than expected, easing inflation concerns. Headline PPI dropped 0.1% month over month compared to an expected rise of 0.3%. Year over year, the increase was 2.6%, down from 3.1%. Core PPI, which excludes food and energy, also fell 0.1% month over month against a forecasted gain of 0.3%, with annual growth slowing to 2.8% from 3.4%. These softer numbers, combined with anticipation for today's CPI release, are increasing expectations for a Federal Reserve rate cut. Markets are already pricing in an 82% chance of a quarter-point reduction. A weaker dollar could follow, which often increases the relative appeal of Bitcoin as a hedge. This backdrop helped drive price toward 114,000, showing that the market continues to react strongly to macroeconomic data. Looking at ETF flows, September just posted its largest daily inflow so far, with more than $530 million recorded. Fidelity led with nearly $300 million, followed by ARK with about $145 million. Data from IBIT is still pending, but is expected to add at least another $100 million once reported. These inflows remain a critical part of the demand story. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time chart chatter. If you got value from this video, click the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.